Wi-Fi? Oh, no. Wi-Fi can't be that bad, right? Right. Okay, nice. Wait, buddy. Oh my! Jesus Christ, man! Please, please stop! Jesus Christ! And there's the DP. Oh my lord! What a! Stop! Dude! Ah! Please get an Ethernet cable, dude. I'm gonna play the game! Please get an Ethernet, dude. Please, for the love of God, get a goddamn Ethernet. I'm not playing, no.
It's random.
Oh yeah, what if you get like duplicates?
I could.
This guy's
Possible.
That would suck. Wait,
No,
no,
so there's 50, there's 52.
Yeah.
There's 52, so I have a 1,
What is happening?
1, 2, 3, 4. I have a 4 and 52 of getting one I want.
Okay, I want this to end immediately.
But I mean, I like all of them. So what, 7?
There's the fucking DP, bruh.
Bro, it's insane how many games just like set like a currency or like something in the game as CP. Like a
Never
like
playing
a
this guy ever
TF2.
again.